Hello, my peoples. Today is another good nature walk. This is nature part
With stinging needles.
3.
And stinging needles. I
I
just got some on my
cleared that.
leg.
Remember
So-
that, Mia? I got clear of it. I erased all the needles, and now we are in another environment. Just don't mind that power plant, whatever it is. Here we go. This is dangerous hostile land. We need to be very quiet. The cops will arrest us. Okay?
I thought we
You
were
got
in the
that?
forest.
We are in the forest.
But there's no cops in the forest.
They will find us. They do patrols, but there's no
They can't find us if you're in the forest.
Okay. Maestro Di Mia, get over here now.
Stinging needles like over there.
Yeah.
Shut up.
They're
Over here.
everywhere though.
Wait, is it like the ones with those?
Those ones, the ones with spikes. They're
Are
not.
you serious?
Sorry, we're talking about your wonderful plants that you fell in.
Yeah, thank you.
Going to.
Okay. Here we are. We're about to enter the realm of mystery. Bermuda Triangle.
Because there's a building right there.
Shut up. You need to forget. Okay. Follow me.
Oh, we're running now.
Here. Don't run with the camera, just walk. Just quick walk. Speed walk.
Okay. Okay. Now take a picture of the view. Mia, move. Dang it.
It's a road. Oh,
Now for an advertisement. Now when you're rocking in the woods, na na na, and you got nothing to do, na na na, you can sit and have fun, na na. Just look
He
up
needs to shut up.
plants on the internet.
Shut up.
Na na na. Na na. Na na.
Don't do drugs, kids!
Shh, shh. What was that sound?
a bird.
No, it wasn't. It's probably one of those raccoons. Vipers. Mia, move out of the camera. I need my camera shot. Genius.
Oh my gosh, that's actually beautiful.
I know.
Follow me. As you can see, a lot of the humans dump their waste and disgusting stuff in the animals' environment. That's why.
If you think I'm going down there, you're wrong. I'm not going down there.
I'm gonna go
Oh
down
my
there.
gosh.
That's not me.
Fine, let's
Okay,
go.
okay, give the camera to
No, he's not going down there. It's fine.
Okay, as you can see, the people throw trash that they want over here.
That's wood.
This is not wood.
Yeah.
This is
It's
different
wood.
substances. Okay, now
Look
that
at it.
and
Wood.
that, this is trash, huh? How you blame me? And that's trash.
That's a
True.
part of like a car.
That's-
Exactly.
Oh my gosh, that's just creepy.
Let's continue, ladies.
No, let's go.
No, let's go. I mean,
Continue or
To the ends of the earth. Oh my gosh. Let's continue. And we're going. Go. Stop acting like children. This is supposed to be a video.
we are children.
abusive much?
It's so abusive.
You want some punches? Huh? Here we go. 5 quickers.
Oh.
Give me that rock. Okay, let's continue. Get away! Get away! Get away. Get away! Let's continue. Hurry! Run! Run! Come on!
You're so abusive of your sister. Come on, Sissy, let's go.
Yeah.
Oh,
See how?
dirt in my eyes.
How would you abuse that tree?
Yeah.
That
It has a
wonderful.
mark.
And watch how nature.
Is that the mark from the rock?
No, look at how nature deflects this rock. Look at nature. Gosh, how many feet? See that? Not even a chip. What? You want me to do it again? You did it? Okay, look up there. Now all the way up there, okay? Look at that little circle.
Okay.
See that? Not even a mark. Nature. As we continue,
Let's go back. Let's go back.
we're in nature. Nature's not gonna harm us.
I just got stinging needles, and you just got needles stuck in your hands.
Yeah, you remember that video?
Yeah. Don't talk about all the videos while we're doing what. Okay.
I think I just got more stinging needle in my hands.
Come